thought I was feeling you? Nope. That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to yet another video. So today we're doing an evening routine after a busy 9 to 5 day. So on this particular day I was just doing my usual routine, and I'm just not gonna talk through this video. Everything is literally self-explanatory, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please give it a huge thumbs up, and also please do consider subscribing, and let's get to 500 subs. Enjoy this video.
I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. He with my body, he tell me please. I'm walking past me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear my boo. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She won't stay right cause shorty a fan. Gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. This fool, he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. This fool, he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like, you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like,
yeah, murder, murder, murder.
I love you, babe. I love you, babe. Oh, baby.
Chapter 2. Let's rock.
Can you rock with me? Oh, baby. Not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby. All over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh, baby, when you're kissing me. Oh, baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I want to do to you tonight. Oh, baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking love you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. See, I don't know if I can handle you as just a friend. Oh, baby, I can't pretend. Oh, baby, I'm so foreign. But I don't mind as long as I could have you in my life. Oh, baby, I'm satisfied, even if you're not just mine. Can you rock with me? Oh, baby, not stopping me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you. Can you roll with me? Oh, baby, all over me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby.
Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.